Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
To purify your pool water naturally, consider using saltwater systems, UV pool sanitizers, or ozone generators. Saltwater systems use electrolysis to produce natural chlorine, effectively sanitizing your pool without harsh chemicals. UV pool sanitizers work by exposing water to ultraviolet light, killing bacteria and algae. Ozone generators release ozone gas, a powerful oxidant that purifies water. Additionally, maintaining proper pH levels and regularly cleaning your pool will help keep the water crystal clear and healthy.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.